Chopper City, USA offers motorcycle service and repair to the Jacksonville, Orange Park area, including service, tire installations for all makes, all models, Harley, Big Dog, American Iron, Customs, and Metrics. We do motorcycle customizing from exhaust to handlebars, performance upgrades, white tire kits. You want it, we can do it. Chopper City is a licensed motorcycle manufacturer, building custom motorcycles or customizing to order. We do it all, and we do it well. Give us a call. Book your next service, tire change, or custom job. 904-721-1969, 904-721-1969, or toll free 888-721-1969. Chopper City, it's all about the bikes.